Hi everyone and welcome to the webinar. So happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Hope you guys are good, hope you're doing well. So did you guys take any wonderful trades in the previous week? If you do so, you can share that in the chat. If you have any question, you can as well ask anything. Feel free to use the chat there on TradingView. And for those who are watching me on YouTube, feel free to use the chat as well on the YouTube, guys. Okay, so first, before we will start with our setups for the upcoming week, I would love to congratulate to our member Richard. Okay, so Richard did an amazing job. Okay, and I'm really happy when I see these kind of the messages, especially in the beginning of the day. Okay, so he wrote me that he made that money to recover his membership that he paid for the academy. Okay, so those are really good messages that really inspires me and everyone in the group. So here you can see that he lost much more, but then he recovered the losses plus the fee of the academy. Okay, and this is really good. This is the proof of how he's learning. Okay, he's the man who is always asking. If there's nothing clear for him, he's always asking, he's trying to understand, he's doing his back testing. He's really worthy. Okay, let's say like that. He's really worthy. He's doing all the best. So I think that his career will be more than a wonderful in the trading. Okay, he's a really good person, really confident, and he's doing his best always. Okay, so I hope those kind of the messages inspires the others as well to learn more, to do the best they can, and to start learning especially. Okay, so let me just start now with the setups that we are currently waiting for the upcoming week. Okay, just a second. Okay, so here we are now. Here are the couple of the ideas that I have shared with you. There's the CAD yen. Okay, CAD yen is already pushing lower. Yeah, good morning, Luciano on YouTube. You're welcome. CAD yen is the good setup that we are waiting for. Okay, it started breaking down on Friday evening. Okay, on the Friday evening it starts to breaking lower. There was one lower time frame correction which has already broken out in the morning today, and what I'm anticipating over there is a correction again now and then drop. Okay, so be careful, there could be a bit bigger correction. We just have to let it develop before we will chase the market. Okay, so don't jump in if you miss there. Don't jump in from the spot where it is right now. Okay, this price for selling is really dangerous spot, because at any time soon there will be the correction. Okay, trust me, there it will be the correction and you can be easily stopped out, so be careful where you are entering. AUSD is as well trying to break lower. There was the correction. Okay, during the night it just break lower, but I want to see more over there. Okay, so more momentum, it's what I'm anticipating over there, to develop more momentum and at least aggressively tag the previous low. Okay, so what else can we have over there? Similar like with the yen pairs. Okay, so this is what it can appear over there. Okay, look at that one. it's a perfect amazing correction, perfect example. So this could just pull back and then you have to sell, okay? So then you will become the seller. There is where you have to be careful, or where you have to wait for the price to go. So same as it did over there. So for those, for example, who sold over there on that breakdown, they didn't get a lot, okay? Even their risk to reward ratio is really bad. Their price is at the bottom of the structure, as you can see, okay? You are selling on the bottom, and it's the big mistake which you can do, okay? So rather wait for this kind of the pullback or correction, however you will call it, okay? Wait for it and then chase the price, okay? Same on AUSN, same on AUSN. All setups are the same, okay? So nothing has changed. We are never chasing the prices when something has already gone, okay? If you missed it, wait. The chance will develop for you, the setup will develop for you, okay? So the market do this kind of stuff all the time, okay? It will never ever change. Look at that one. If you enter it somewhere there on the running candles, look at what will happen, okay? You will be easily stopped out, especially if you're having your stop losses somewhere there in these areas. You will be stopped out, and then the price will drop down, okay? So this is the big mistake that people are usually doing, and completely not understanding the market, what the market is doing, okay? You have to first of all understand what the market is doing behind the scene, okay? Pound USD, it went for the bigger correction over there. Look at that one. We were waiting for there the sharp breakdown. It didn't appear, nothing, it was there, okay? It just started to go for the bigger correction, okay? The update is under the idea, okay? So here it is. Now we are waiting for the sharp breakdowns back at this low, okay? So this will be our trade, especially if dollar will start rising, okay? Dollar rise will drag the pound USD to the downside nicely, okay? So keep an eye on it during the week, how that develops over there. And USD CAD, of course, this was the amazing setup over there, has been developing previous week, okay? It's been developing previous week. It starts to breaking higher, and now it's still pushing, let's say like that. It's still pushing, and what you can do, you can add on the pullback, okay? If these pullbacks, then you can add, of course, okay? And one more wave to the upside, at least 1.29. it's the price that you are targeting, okay? That's gonna be your trade. Take off your profit, and then we'll see, we'll take a look. AUSN went for a bigger correction, let's say like that, okay? Look at that one. This one breaks, correct, and you shall be waiting there for the break to the downside. It didn't appear, and we have the extension of the correction, okay? So the extension of the correction is in play over there now, and it just went for the bigger correction over there, okay? But still, sell is still over there. If it didn't sell there, then wait, it's gonna be there, okay? So no worries, that ain't gonna drop down in the straight line as it did there, not there, sorry, there, okay? Something of this will appear there, from where we will see, okay? You don't need to predict the price from where the correction will start. You don't need to know. And what else? Pound USD, Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin USD went for the bigger correction, okay? The idea is over there, is updated, okay? So I have updated it, and we've been discussing in the previous weekly market outlook, okay? If you're first time there with us, you can watch the previous weekly market outlooks on the YouTube or the TradingView profile as well. You'll just have to go to my profile, and under the stream tab, you'll find all the recordings. So feel free to watch it, and you will definitely learn from something, okay? By watching the old setups, you are definitely learning. So Bitcoin USD, okay, we were expecting this one to start breaking lower and even break down back at the previous low. The price is kind of slow, okay? There was the sign that this is gonna go lower, but the momentum is so slow, and I really do anticipate more over there, more momentum, faster momentum anytime soon to start pushing down aggressively. For now, we are having nothing, okay? This could just be the running flat in the making, and then this running flat to start pushing lower back at this low. It even can lose its momentum somewhere there, running flat, then lost its momentum, went up back at the previous high over there, something like this, tag the previous high, and then starts to drop, okay? Even better if this so, and if this plays out like that, then we all will be selling from the top, and we all will have even better risk to reward ratios. So I will be really happy if Bitcoin goes higher for this kind of extension. Okay, they always, not the Bitcoin. Okay, so once you see that the setups are going down and one more up, this is the bonus for us. Okay, it's bonus for us. You'll make more money, the chart will develop more momentum, move will be faster, and definitely better risk to reward ratio. This is the most important factor over there in trading, and the rest is gone. Okay, so US oil went higher. Okay, we were watching there for sell, didn't find the price, or setup, sorry. Okay, you can just see the flags for the buy. There wasn't any flag for sell, so we didn't chase it. And then another break, or let's say another flag for upside, break the top. Now it's the time to watch again for sell. Okay, so this for the sideways and start pushing lower. Okay, so keep an eye, watch it during this week how that's gonna develop, but definitely oil is what we are waiting for a sell over there. Okay, pound USD, this is a bit older analysis, but yeah, it went nicely, but we're doing again the same stuff, same procedure. Okay, we have always corrections, which are just breaking lower. You see these. Okay, but now we are in the big correction, what I was talking about. Okay, so this is the correction that we are currently in. So let it drop, let it correct, sell, let it correct, sell. Okay, you'll make a lot of money, but you should not chase the price. And the euro yen was an amazing chart as well. Okay, so plays out really nicely. Okay, same moves now. Okay, same moves. This is why I'm showing you that kind of example. We are waiting for the same. Sorry, we are waiting for the same setups across the market again. We want to see those setups to appear on pound yen, Aussie yen, euro yen. Okay, so watch it closely. UK 100 went higher, now it's struggling back at the previous high. Wait for this one. Okay, now wait for the corrections again that I've been showing you, and keep on selling. Okay, so keep selling indexes. Okay, so keep selling those, they are going down, trust me. Okay, nice setups will develop over there. Ignore all the buy stops, it's not worth of chasing any buy over there. Okay, I really see the nice sell coming. We also retest the previous top, loses momentum, and it's going lower. Definitely I will share the setups closely with you. Okay, that I just didn't update it, it just went over there, give us signs that this is going lower. Okay, we'll share that with you definitely. So this is it. Okay, this is it. Luna, there's some crypto as well went lower. Okay, nice move was over there, but those moves are gone now. Okay, so let's go, let's see now what we can anticipate for the upcoming week. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask, use the chat, guys. I will answer on your questions. So let's go. The dollar, what I'm anticipating over there is dollar to rise. What was the reason? The reason is this contracting flat over there, common. This contracting flat over there. Okay, contracting flat, and it's keep on correcting. Okay, it's keep correcting. It can just go high, break the top, and then the bigger correction will appear, but it will still push to the upside. Okay, the wave to the upside will still appear over there. And what we can anticipate for the upcoming week, if you watch the lower time frame, we will watch for the more buying opportunities over there. Okay, so more opportunities for buy, it's what we want to see. There was a nice buy previous week. If you bought that breakout, great, you're doing an amazing job, and prices keep pushing higher. So what you should do, wait for another pullback, go for the buy. Okay, it can be even deeper, and then going back at the previous top at least. Okay, that's the minimum what we are watching. Okay, or targeting the minimum wave on the dollar, its previous top. Can this appear there? Okay, can sell appear over there? I don't think so. Okay, I don't think so that the DXY can break down. Okay, we have a question about the natural gas. Natural gas is going lower. Okay, as well. Okay, I will share the chart. Where is it? Natural gas, look at that one. It's still pushing lower. Okay, you shall be the seller from there, from the higher spots. it did a nice lower time frame correction over there, went lower. Okay, it's still correcting, but now it's not a time to sell. It's not time to sell because this could just go into the bigger correction before it will drops lower. Okay, or even something like this and then drops lower. Okay, so not good spots to sell. You should wait. Okay, you should wait. That's not the price for a sell. Okay, but definitely you want to see the correction over there and then keep on dragging lower. Okay, they can even go deeper. Something like this is what you can expect, and then going higher. So nice move there for the selling is appearing. Same with the oil. Okay, oil is doing the same stuff, and UK oil the same. Okay, they are on the top, they are just setting up to break lower. Okay, so keep your eyes, watch it closely. It ain't gonna push higher. Okay, it can just slightly go like this, but not far. Okay, that's not go far, but it's not even worth of buying it, so rather skip that buy. Okay, be blind for that buy. That's the better decision. Yeah, so let's go slowly with the setups, step by step. I will go fastly to the setups which are not interested. Okay, will not. I don't want to be that. I don't want that this webinar will be 2 or 3 hours long. So, would love to have it, to create it the short and the powerful one. Okay, so use the cat. Okay, it really nicely went up, corrects once again, and then it's pushing higher. Look at that one. Okay, here was the nice flag on the Friday. It went up, corrects once again, went up. Okay, now it's not the time to buy. Okay, you have to be careful now because this is gonna go and pull back. A similar correction like this one can appear over there before this continue its way to the upside. Okay, but definitely the buy is what you want to take. Especially if the oil that I've been showing you, okay, if the oil drops, then definitely USD CAD will go higher. Okay, USD CAD will definitely push higher if oil drops. So keep an eye, watch this during the week, and take that opportunity. Okay, it's gonna be a nice USD Chief. Nothing special. Okay, we have a 1, 2, 3. Okay, flag. It's what we are anticipating over there. One more wave to the downside, and then next wave to the upside. Okay, so we've been talking again about this movement in the previous weekly market outlook. I have shown you exactly the correction which is appearing over there, and nothing has changed. Okay, the correction is still the same, pattern still the same, still there, still waiting for the same move. And yeah, you just have to wait for your setup before you will enter the trade. Here's the Mexican. It will go higher. Okay, this is the 1, 2, 3. That's the price, and we are going higher. Okay, so there it will be the buy stops. South African rand versus dollar. Okay, this one's trying to go lower, but that ain't gonna break lower. Okay, I don't see the price going lower. Okay, it's gonna go back at the previous top at least before it drops back at the low. Okay, so be careful, watch it, but really like I said, rather wait for the buy stops over there. Okay, so rather wait for the buy back at the previous top. Okay, this will be your target back at the previous top, and then we will start watching for sell. Depends how that develops or behaves there at the top. Okay, Aussie USD to continuously pushing lower. Okay, same there. I want to see a correction before I will chase the price. Okay, so if you're selling it from there, great. From there, don't dare to short over there. Okay, it will go lower definitely. This will tag the price, but the problem now is because it can just extend. Okay, this becomes a running flat. Now let me just show you. This can easily become the running flat, extend for one more high, and the price will still be, or the pattern will still be to the downside. Okay, the problem if you're shorting it from there, you will be stopped out. Okay, so why having a losing trade over there if you don't need to? Okay, you don't need to have a losing trade over there, so don't chase it. Let's wait for the pullback. It's gonna be there if this goes lower, and you will not miss anything. Okay, so like this it will appear, and then you have to short. Okay, so Don't be too fast. Don't think that the market will go without you. Don't think that the move will be so fast and so on. Okay, so calm down. Okay, sit back, relax, and wait for the correction. It's really profitable behavior. So Aussie Chief definitely going lower, but yeah, what we are waiting there is again the correction. Corrections are what we are waiting on most of the charts right now. Aussie New Zealand, this will go lower. Okay, this will go lower. Okay, it can just go and maybe a little bit break the high, and then it will go definitely lower. Aussie Cat, if oil starts to dropping, then Cat will as well start to push lower. No, sorry, this one will go higher. One more leg higher. Okay, one more leg higher on the Aussie Cat can appear. Okay, this. So be careful that you're not shorting it from there. Please analyze euro dollar too. Okay, I will just a couple of minutes. I will be there really fast. It's down there, so we'll watch it in a few minutes. New Zealand Chief, it's pushing lower correction, then you can take the price. Okay, it's there in this huge pattern. It's gonna go at least tag the previous low. Can it go even deeper? Yes, definitely. Okay, this could be just the one small daily running flat, and these daily running flats to aggressively push down back at these lows. Okay, that will be the minimum what you can catch. Okay, but just watch the lower time frame, how it develops, how it will gives you the chance. If you are seller from there, great. There as well, great, but now it's not the time to short. Okay, wait for the correction, then take a short. Don't be too fast. New Zealand used the same behavior. Okay, so wait for the pullback, take the sell. New Zealand Cat can extend for one more high. Okay, so this could be just the extension over there, so be careful once you're shorting. You really want to see there a really strong candle in case if you want to short it, but really that's not the move. Okay, that could be easily the running flat and one more wave back to break this top, and then it will break lower. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on the Aussie Cat and New Zealand Cat. That earning flat to plays out, break the previous top, and then go lower. Okay, but keep your eyes on. Okay, on the short breakdown you can sell. Euro dollar. Okay, this is it. Okay, we were selling previous week. I took it out the trades on the break even somewhere there because the chart didn't move really aggressively, so I take it out with the break even, and I will be keep waiting over there. Okay, so this is the double top formation. Okay, it hits the double top over there, and yeah, correction is what we have to wait for. Okay, correction is what we have to wait for. Okay, let it correct, be deeper or even higher, let's say like that, then we will go for the sell over there on the euro dollar. Okay, don't chase it too early. Daily is having a nice potential. Okay, we are still in the downside market, as you can see. Okay, so this is the nice downside market, and yeah, this to keep on selling. All correction is what you can sell. Okay, so which correction we should wait, I have shown you in the beginning of the webinar. Okay, I have shown you the beginning of the webinar, but those are the corrections to sell. You see, that's what you have to wait over there. Don't chase it. Euro Cat, same there. This could go as well back at the top. Okay, these to become 1, 2, 3, one more back at the top, and then start to reverse. Okay, so something like this. The reason is Cat. So wait for this kind of the move before it starts pushing lower. Euro Aussie going lower definitely, but the question is which correction will appear there and how big the correction will get. Okay, so we are already having the correction. Okay, so how long, how deep it will go, nobody knows, but keep your eyes over there. Okay, so keep your eyes on the strong break to the downside. Okay, that's gonna clearly show you once the correction will be finished, then you can go for the trade. So how far this can go, or where's our target? Our target is previous low. Okay, that's what I can see, but this could go and push higher. So don't just jump into the trade. Okay, don't just jump into the trade. Let it just develop over there a bit bigger. If it becomes bigger, even better, then this will becomes a nice flag over there. Okay, so higher time frame flag will develop, and then we will go for this trade. Okay, wonderful trade will appear over there. So something like this is what we can have, and then we all be selling it. Good chart as well. Euro New Zealand, same there. Euro New Zealand didn't change anything. Now the question is correction again. Okay, so how big does it get? We don't know, but we just have to watch and wait for this correction to develop, and then we will take a sell definitely. Euro Chief going lower. Okay, it's in the nice expanded flat correction over there. So this is our higher time frame expanded flat, what we are seeing over there, and definitely again pull back and sell it. Okay, there is a lot of charts and a lot of setups that are currently developing across the market, so you just have to watch it, not all of them, just pick some of them. Okay, don't chase them all, choose 2 3 or the maximum 5 charts, 5 pairs, and watch them closely. Okay, don't miss them. Okay, the potential and the money, it's here. You just have to wait and be prepared for the movement. Euro GBP, it starts pushing lower. Okay, that is just drawing lower. There was the expanded flat for more downside, and it's keep pushing lower. So I can see that this could go easily tag the previous low before it will go back at the top again. Okay, so you can sell if you find the nice sell, then you can sell, of course. Okay, but yeah, this is the arrow since previous week when we were discussing in the group about the Euro GBP. Okay, where is it heading to? Euro Polish zloty down, definitely down. Okay, so there's no any options that this could go any other way. Definitely nice running flat. It's appearing over there, so wait for your sell stops and you will be selling it. Okay, you wanna sell it. It's gonna be a nice. Oops, sorry. It's gonna be a nice trade over there. Back at this low is what we can have. Okay, let me show you the daily picture. It's much clearer. Okay, much clearer. So this running flat over there to keep on pushing back at the previous low. If the price will be aggressive, then this is the target which you are aiming. Okay, so keep your eyes on. You're knocking. That's the really ugly chart. Okay, so this could just drop down, going back at the top and then drop. Okay, so we'll see. And even then can get complicated. It can tag the top, it can break the high, and then will go lower. So don't chase the Euro Nokian. It's not looking good chart. Okay, so don't watch it. Pound yen, tag the double top and starts to reversing. If you sold it over there, great. If not, wait for it. Okay, wait for it. It can get even bigger. Okay, so if this appears, then we all have to make money over there. Okay, we all have to make money over there. We will watch that in Academy, of course. We will put it on our watch list, and we ain't gonna miss it. This is the trade where you can make a lot of money over there. CAD yen, same there. The sell, if you sell from there, great. There, don't dare to sell over there. Okay, so guys, I'm warning you, don't sell from the spot where it is right now, especially without correction. You want to see the correction before you will go for this sell. Okay, so potential is there, and this is the target which you are aiming. Okay, previous low, the minimum what you can get out of this trade. Aussie same movement, sell, but without correction you can't chase the price. Back in the previous low is what you are aiming for. Euro yen, it went already. Okay, it went already. Okay, as you can see, nicely stayed there in this daily correction, reversed from the top break and reversed, and now we are just waiting for the correction. Okay, we cannot chase it from there. If you chase it from there, yeah, then you had a chance, but from where it is right now, don't touch it. Let's say like that, don't touch it. Let it pull back, let it give you something. Okay, New Zealand yen, same stuff over there. If you have a short from there on Friday, then you did a great job. If not, then let it pull back. It will pull back. Okay, it can even pull back deeper, so that's the problem. don't chase it from there. Chief yen, slowly kind of the movement that's over there. Okay, so slowly movement over there, but I still see this one correcting and pushing lower, but it ain't gonna go fast. Okay, Chief yen, it's always moving like this. Okay, usually, let's say not always, in 90% of the time it's moving slowly, correctively, but it's going. Okay, so you have to have a lot of patience if you are choosing to trade the Chief yen. Okay, if you're usually using the patient, then on Chief yen you need a double patient. So if you're not patient, then definitely the Chief yen, it's not the trade which you should pick. Okay, so keep that in mind. USD yen, make a double top as pound yen. Okay, so pound yen and USD are the same setups. That should pull back, and yes, this is the trade which you can take back at the previous low. Even break can appear over there. Okay, so even break can appear over there on the USD yen, and that can drag back at those lows. So watch it during the week. This is definitely a good chart. Okay, definitely a good chart to watch and then take the trade. Pound USD, nothing is there yet. You should have a correction. Okay, you should have a correction over there before you will go for this kind of trade. Okay, so those setups that I'm already sharing with you, we will definitely watch it in our team, in our group. We will discuss about them. We will put our eyes on those setups, let's say like that. Okay, and we definitely will not watch it. Okay, if you guys would love to join our group, if you would love to upgrade your knowledge, to become really good with those skills of trading and to increase your profit, to increase your gains, then simply go to the website tradewithmaster.eu, and under the membership tab you'll find the memberships, and then I will add you in the group with our traders, and you will as well gain the access to the knowledge. Okay, there are pre-recorded videos which you should watch once you'll join, because otherwise you will not understand what we are talking about. Okay, so this is the procedure, how it works. So let's continue. Pound Chief, that's gonna go down definitely as well, but same there, wait for the corrections to appear before we will go for the trade. Pound Aussie, I will not chase it from where it is right now. Okay, let me see what it's trying to do. Down definitely. Okay, that's the sell. That's the sell, but not right yet. Okay, so nothing it's happening over there right now currently from the price where it is, but this will be the wave or the direction you are trading. Oops, sorry. Pound New Zealand, sell. Okay, selling back at the previous top. It can slowly climbing back at the top, and then it will just break lower. Okay, so it needs some time to struggle there, so don't watch the Pound New Zealand. There are many other setups that are better than this one. Pound Cat, tagging the previous high probably, and then drop. Okay, no, the Pound Cat can go higher, sorry. Okay, this is the first, second, and the third move can appear over there, and then it will go lower. Okay, bigger correction can appear on the Pound Cat. Okay, Pound Cat is the bigger correction which can appear over there, especially if the oil drops. If oil drops, then Pound Cat will go higher. Okay, this is gonna push it higher. Cat Chief, this is already pushing lower. Okay, so if you do remember from the previous weekly market outlook, we've been selling this one from there. Okay, so selling it from there, it really didn't go anywhere, becomes so boring. Okay, so boring without any momentum, and you should close it with a break-even trade. Okay, that should be the break-even trade for you if you take the trade previous weekly market on the previous weekly market outlook. But now again, you had a chance previous week, it went lower, and yeah, another correction is what you are waiting for before you will sell, if you still didn't sell. Okay, and the price will be the previous low. Okay, that's what you are aiming for, but definitely it can revisit as well the previous low. Okay, that's the target. This is the target which or where the catch if can go to, especially if you get the correction over there, then definitely that should go aggressively back at the previous low. Chief Nokian, not terrible, so stay away from it. Gold as well, okay, don't chase it from there, okay, I don't like it, nothing is there for, let's say like that. Silver, same there, okay, so silver can go for one more wave to the downside, okay. This is similar like USD Chief, okay. If you compare the silver and USD Chief, you will find the similarities, okay. You will find the similarities, these to go lower and then going higher, okay. So the direction is clear. It's gonna go lower, but definitely don't trade it, okay. Don't try to trade a silver sell, it's useless. Sugar to struggle there, and definitely still go back at the previous low. Oil, we already talked about it, okay. So here, if this corrects, then going lower, and of course then you should watch the CAD, okay. If oil drops, then CAD it's the pair, or CAD are the pairs to watch. Natural gas, we already did that one. Indices, this is already pushing lower, breaks, corrects, and pushing lower, so don't chase from there. This could still stop by the price where it is right now, exactly from where it is right now. That could become the flag, one more high, and sell will still be there, okay. Sell will still exist, but the difference will be you should not take that buy, okay. Don't go for that buy, just simply ignore it, okay. But not even selling it. If you're selling it from the higher spots, then great. If not, then just let it do whatever it wants to do. Same with the SP 500, okay. That could be just the expanded flat, and this to keep on dragging higher back at the previous highs, giving you a bit bigger correction over there, and then it will start pushing lower, okay. So be careful how the SP 500 develops during the week. But if you want to go for the sell, if you want to short it, don't sell without the correction, okay. Correction is really important over there. US 330, US 30 as well, Dow Jones Industrial as well over there. You should not chase it from where it is, okay. All of them are having that possibility for this being an expanded flat, okay. This being an expanded flat on all the indices, okay. If you watch them closely, you'll see. But if you short it from the early spots somewhere there, then great. Just move on break even, okay. Just move on break even. You should not be stopped out, or you should not have a losing trade over there, okay. But selling from there makes no sense. UK 100, this is the chart to watch. We are at the previous top over there. Now we just want to see the correction and continuation to the downside, okay. So that's what you should wait. Stay patient during the week, okay. And this is the price. If you sell there, great, watch it. You may even put it on break even, okay, because you still didn't have a nice correction, okay. You still didn't have a nice correction, okay. So watch it, watch this one. That one has already visited the previous low, okay. It's already tagged the low, so there isn't any chance, but still expanded flat possibility exists. EU50, that one has tagged the previous low, okay. So this one is gone, nothing there, okay. Correction, and then you can still go for the sell. German 30, same there, okay. We tagged the previous lows, okay. So we tagged the previous low. I want to see the break, correction, and then it will continue its way to the downside. JP 225, what is it doing right now? You want to see the correction, and then you will sell, okay. Correct and sell back at the previous low. Oz 200, same there, okay. This will drop as well, okay. Probably today the Oz 200 will drop aggressively, and it can even take the previous low really fast. HK 50, correction, take the sell. China 50, okay, slowly going back to the previous low. Okay, so let's have a quick comment as well on the crypto, okay. Crypto, I'm getting a lot of private messages that people are asking me about where to buy Bitcoin, how to buy Bitcoin, should I go for the long-term profit building, so portfolios. Okay, so no, my answer is no. The price is still too high. Okay, and this is gonna go lower. Okay, so you should rather wait more before you will go for this kind of the investing. Okay, so wait to tag the previous low. Okay, that could be easily tagged even this or next week. Okay, so if this doesn't develop any momentum over there on the way to the downside, it will just struggle push at the new high. That doesn't mean we are going to 100k as people are dreaming about, especially on the Facebook people. Okay, that ain't gonna appear. Okay, 100k on the Bitcoin will not be for a while. Okay, this price will not be reached for a while, so let's do whatever it wants to do, rather wait and prepare yourself for the sell. So those who are leverage traders, get yourself ready. It's gonna go down. Okay, but don't be blinded with this small movement over there. This is too small to chase it. Bitcoin dominance going higher nicely. Okay, we've been watching this, tracking this on all weekly market outlooks. Nicely went up, even correct, went up, correct, went up, correct, keep on pushing higher. So where this is heading to? Okay, I see this one heading back at the previous top. So what does this mean? All altcoins to go lower. Okay, all altcoins to go lower. Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin dominance is the chart that is showing the altcoins will go lower. XRP, this one still go lower. Okay, this to push lower, probably struggle there, even tag the previous high and then going lower. Okay, not going higher. Okay, if you want to go for the trade, that's gonna be the small trade for you, back at the previous high or this high. So you are risking more than you can get. Ethereum USD, same there. This stuff is going lower. Okay, something like this, it could just correct over there close to the previous top, and then it will drop amazingly. So prepare yourself for this drop, guys. It's gonna go. LTC USD, same there. Okay, 1 2 3 drop. Okay, break those low. ADA Cardano, same there. Okay, same there. It's gonna be a nice sell. The target has been reached. Okay, so we've been selling it from there. Okay, so we've been selling it from there. Okay, so if you do go back and watch the webinar from the November, okay, from the November, if you do go back on the November webinar, okay, you will find when we were forecasting this kind of the move to tag the price. So what it did, it exactly tagged the price. Okay, so here's why knowledge is really important. Okay, many traders were buying over there because they thought that this is gonna go higher, because they just connect something like this. They think that this is the impulse. They read that after the impulse they have to wait for the flag, for the correction, and then the impulse will repeat itself. And guess what happened? Okay, they were buying, and then there's the another sort of people which are buying the dip, and they are actually buying the top. Okay, they were buying the dip, something like this. Okay, and they basically bought on the really bad spot. And here is where the knowledge is really important factor, and here's where you have to understand the market behavior. Okay, it's really important. It's not all about the flag and impulses. Okay, because you can be really easily confused by just drawing one single trend line. Okay, so one single trend line can confuse you. Okay, even I can draw the trend line and you will see the sell, then I can draw the trend line and then you will see the buy. Okay, that's the problem, and that will be on the same chart. Here's the problem where people are struggling with drawing the trend line for the buy and for the sell. You can do both at the same time. Okay, so there's where the knowledge needs to come. Okay, understanding of the market behavior, that's the important factor. We all know that the market is moving in cycles. We all know that the market is moving in impulses and corrections. But that's the problem. That's the problem with most of the people. Just by connecting tops and bottoms, you can get yourself in trouble. Okay, you can get yourself in trouble. So if I will comment there quickly, what was the problem there? Okay, it went lower. They thought that this is the flag for buy, and it will continue to lead back at the previous top. No, wrong. Why? Because they didn't saw this running flat there in the middle. Okay, so you are not well trained. You don't see. You don't have rules. You don't see this kind of the movement, and there is where you will have yourself in troubles. There is where you generate a lot of drawdowns. Okay. That's not only in the crypto, that's happening all across the market, indices, stocks, forex, wherever, on higher time frame, on lower time frame, it doesn't matter, okay? It will just appear on all kinds of the market, and that's what you have to fix. Okay, don't just draw trend lines blindly across the market. Okay, so I hope you guys understand this, what I'm trying to say. So add a USDT, these two keep on going lower. Okay, so I see them, all of them are keep pushing lower. Look at that one. Oh, what is this? I see all of them going lower, even BNB, okay, Binance coin going lower, breaking down over there and revisit the previous low. Okay, so don't chase the price. I'm still keep repeating since November, okay, since last year I've been keep repeating that don't buy any crypto. It's being really hyped by the social sites, as I can see. Okay, so every day someone is texting me about what to do, what do I recommend, when this will turn, they are in minuses and so on. Okay, the cryptocurrency is really hyped, especially on the social sites. So don't be that dumb. Grab some knowledge in your hands, study the market before you start investing. Okay, if you don't know how to study the market, if you don't have the rules, then you should join us. Okay, I will teach you. All that stuff is what we will teach you and what you will learn with us. Otherwise, you will just losing your years and your money, especially, what is the most important factor. So Shiba, what is Shiba trying to do? Still going lower. Okay, so this probably to correct and still go lower. Okay, so this to keep on dragging lower. No buy is over there. So Dash, same there, keep on dragging lower, watch or wait for the setup. This as well over there, keep on dragging lower. You can see all of them are having the same flag. Okay, same flag is over there on all of them. So let them go. Okay, if you're a spot trader, let them do whatever it wants to do. Let them tag the previous low, and then you will be selling. Okay, new USD, that one can go even tag the high and then going lower. Depends on how that develops over there. Okay, so you have to understand what chart is trying to tell you exactly from this correction over there, which is trying to appear. Okay, so if you don't read it correctly, then you will have problems. Dodge USDT, nothing, just go lower. Okay, so I don't need to go to all those crypto. They all are sell. There's maybe one who is for the buy, but don't chase it. Don't try to find this one who is for the buy. Leverage traders, you can find a lot of sell opportunities over there. You can make and generate a lot of profits. Okay, so what else do we have over there? The stocks. Okay, stocks are really important. Stocks are dropping down really aggressively. Okay, even Facebook has reached the target that we've been anticipating since this correction over there. Okay, went down, tagged that low, and that's it. Okay, target reached. So does this mean this is going to go back at the top again? No, it's not even the time to buy. Okay, it can correct and go deeper. Okay, all stocks can just go down. Okay, look at that one. These to keep on pushing lower. Stock market is under the pressure, so these two cracks and going down. You see, Alibaba same there. Okay, so this one starts dropping really nicely. Apple same there. Apple is going lower. Okay, so there is no question with this Apple where it's going. We all know where the Apple is going. Nvidia Corporation, the same stuff, going lower. Okay, so nothing new is over there. Nothing new is over there. So, do we have any question, guys? PayPal dropped down really nicely. I mean, nicely depends for who. Any questions, guys? Do not hesitate, just feel free to ask. If you don't have a question, this is great. Then everything is crystal clear. Okay, so this is it. If you guys have any questions, you can just contact me. Okay, so you can send me the email, you can send me the private message there on TradingView or on Telegram channel. Okay, you can join the Telegram channel. In the Telegram channel, you will find my contact there, and you can ask whatever you want. Okay, so enjoy your week, stay patient, and keep those setups on your eyes that I have shared with you. Okay, so take care, enjoy your day, and may the profit be with you. Bye bye, everyone.